Hello everyone, in today's video we are exploring Accordion widget. You must have seen it in a Q&A section. To understand this widget, we are trying to achieve this kind of design. So here we have a small section of question answers. We have a title and list of questions. So let's create this first. Okay, so let's build up that section. Here I have main section. Okay, so for content I am adding one more. Okay, so first we have heading. Let's style up little bit. Okay, we are adding divider below the title, just design element. Okay, so here we want to show our question answer. So this is the content we have. Okay, this is how by default it will look. So if you drop all your content, so it will look very overwhelmed. To solve this, we are fixing UX with a toggle element, that is a accordion element. Now, as you drag and drop this widget, this is how by default it looks. You will get expandable area for your header and collapsible area for your content of that particular header. So to update the header, you can simply go on a left column and change here. Now to add content related to header, here you can make a structure. So if you have a complex layout, then you can go for a complex structure. But for now, we have just text. So we simply drag and drop text editor. So this is how you can add the content in your accordion. Now let me put all the details we have in this widget. Okay, now I have added all the content we need to show. Now let's see other option. Below items, you will find item position. This section is related to your header. So where you want to align them. Suppose you want it on the end or center, you can set it accordingly. Below it you will find the icon position, that is here you can see plus minus position. Now as per layout, I want my header to be full, so I will select here stretch, but I want my icons on the right side, so I will select it here. Here you will find the icons for expand and collapsible section. So from library you can select any. So here we have updated icons. Now next is related to title HTML tag. So it is for SEO, that you want it as a header or you want it as a para. It's up to you. Now next is a FAQ schema. Now this is related to search engine. Suppose you want this section to be considered as an important part to understand your business or services, then you can keep it on. So that's how Google treat this FAQ schema. You must have seen that people also ask that when you search something, you must have seen that section. People also ask. So if you keep it on FAQ schema, then this might lead these questions go to directly to that section of a search engine. So it is related to SEO, so it's fine. Nothing affects on look. Now, next part is the interaction. Interaction is how it will behave when you click. So here you will find first expanded it. So if you want first option to be open on load, you can select this. All collapsed will close all the option. Now max item expanded. Now when user clicks, then how many items you want to collapsible. So by default it is 1. If you select multiple, then it will keep it open until it is clicked again. So you can select as per your need. Animation speed, you can select expand and collapse speed here. In style tab, you will find more option. So here it says space between items. So space between items, here we can set distance from content. So from space between expandable and collapsible area. So here you can set it. Now here it shows a status of accordion, normal state, hover state and active state. I want some indication that user is interacting with this accordion item. So for that I am adding some hover border color. So let me set that. By default it is fine. On hover I am okay. So that's how user can understand that which question they are going to open. Now here you will find more option for styling. More styling option for your header. So I'm adding few. Okay, so I'm good for now. So this is how your accordion looks. You can also stylize your content area as well. Now you can see it is a great choice to use accordion widget to show question answer section, because it is helping out in many areas. For example, we are not displaying all content at once. All answers are hidden until someone clicked on it. So it makes the page more organized and now look is more modern and professional. Another benefit is a visitor can quickly scan the questions which they find relevant. So not feeling overwhelmed with lot of information. And the necessary answer will keep the user engaged. Another thing you can consider for mobile users as well, as we are not loading all content at once and content remains hidden until needed, so page load is faster in mobile. So this is our final look, and you can also show accordion within accordion. You can also try to show custom fields in accordion as well. So that's it for today. Thank you.